pretty color, wasn't it? Yeah, now this bird, he has a name. Yeah, would you like to tell everybody here, what's your name?
Amigo!
Did you catch that? No? His name is Amigo. Okay, one more time. What's your name?
Amigo!
Amigo. Good bird. Now, Amigo is a very polite bird. Yeah, Amigo, would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are you feeling this morning? Good? Alright. Now, Amigo is a very intelligent bird. In fact, he can count. Yeah, he can count from 1 to 10. So first, he's going to count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now this time, he's going to impress us even more. Now this time, he's going to count from 1 to 10 in Chinese.